everyone! Today we present our 48 volts heavy-duty seated reach truck for efficient warehouse handling. We have 3 models: CQDE20H, CQDE25H, and CQDE30. With rated loads to 1,000 kilograms, 2,500 kilograms, and 3,000 kilograms, load center 500 millimeters. 48 volts electric system and seated operation ensure stable, comfortable long-hour work. Max lifting height up to 12,000 millimeters, with free lifting for low clearance working conditions. AC motors, 48 volts 400Ah batteries, and electromagnetic brakes guarantee safe control. Compact structure with 1,922 millimeters turning radius, perfect for dense storage warehouses. It is your ideal choice for modern intelligent warehousing logistics. If you're interested in this equipment, welcome to leave a comment or send us a private message.